इस बार परेड पर 2 HMRVs दिखाई जाएंगी, एक आर्मर्ड की और एक मैकेनाइज्ड इन्फेंट्री की। इसमें हमने काफी सारे मॉडिफिकेशंस किए जो कि इंडिजनाइजेशन दिखाता है। और इसमें 2 ड्रोन्स, जो कि एक अटैक ड्रोन, एक सर्वेलेंस ड्रोन दिखाया जाएगा। उसके साथ ही दोनों उसमें HMRVs के ऊपर सर्वेलेंस रेडार दिखाया जाएगा, जो कि BFSR भी कहा जाता है। साथ ही साथ हम दोनों HMRVs के ऊपर अलग अलग आर्मामेंट फिट किए गए हैं। एक HMRV के ऊपर 7.62 mm की MMG माउंटेड है और दूसरे के ऊपर एक ATGM माउंटेड है। ये पूरा जो भी मॉडिफिकेशंस है, ये आर्मर और मैकेनाइज्ड इन्फेंट्री की रेकी ट्रूप और लेकी प्लेटून को दर्शाएगा।
इस बात को क्या है, जो केसीओ ने भी जो देखी है, इसमें ज्यादातर इस बार जो इन्फेंट्री है या जो आर्मर्ड व्हीकल्स है, इंडियाइजेशन मतलब आत्मनिर्भरता
जी,
के बारे में।
ये जो व्हीकल है ये आर्माडो के बेसिस पे है। जो आर्माडो है वो महिंद्रा डिफेंस के तहत बनाई गई है, तो ये इंडिया में बेस्ड व्हीकल है। और इसके ऊपर जो भी मॉडिफिकेशंस है, वो जो असेंबली है वो इंडियन आर्मी की असेंबली है, जो कि हमने की है। और इसके ऊपर जो पूरी मॉडिफिकेशंस है वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंडिया में ही बनाई गई है।
And in this Republic Day parade, I am representing infantry contingent, in which we are showcasing unmanned ground vehicle, which the Indian Army is manufacturing under Atmanirbhar Bharat. And this is the first time we are showcasing these equipments on Republic Day parade on Kartavya Path. So it is a high payload 4x4 unmanned ground vehicle, which has been designed for surveillance, medicine supply, and logistic support across all cross country. The main features of these equipments are basically advanced autonomy, and they are self-reliant. They can independent. They can choose the route, and obstacles also they can independently cross. Other than that, this has swarm capability and target lock and shoot and scout capability. It can carry 2 tons of load at 40 degrees of gradient, and other than that, we can mount these equipments, these vehicles with the mission-oriented payloads and weapon system.
We are here for the 4th time, and we have got Nag missile system, NAMIS. This time we have got the upgraded system, and we have got 4 launchers in that on that ICV, along with 30 mm and 7.62 PKT.
If you can give some insights about non-missile system in military operations and effectiveness.
In mechanized infantry, we were using Nag missiles, and on our last NAMIS, we have got only 6 launchers. But as we are upgraded right now, we have got 4 launchers in this, and it got range of 5 kilometers.
Mixed Scouts contingent is making a historic debut at Republic Day Parade 2026. This is for the first time that all Scouts contingent will be marching on the Kartavya Path. Can give some insights about the Scouts work? Right. So this Mixed Scouts contingent consists troops from Arunachal Scouts, Ladakh Scouts, Dogra Scouts, Kumaon Scouts, Gadwal Scouts and Sikkim Scouts. If you can give insights about your dress up, because as we know we are going to witness army with actions with its operation. Right. So the kit that we are wearing, this is called ECWCS, Extreme Cold Weather Clothing System, and we are also wearing the RI boots. This ECWCS clothing is also called a 3-layer suit, in which there are 3 layers. The innermost layer is all black, the middle layer is all green, and third layer, as you can see, is all white. This protects us from the temperature ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to minus 50 degrees Celsius. And also these RI boots provides us a strong grip on snow surfaces, and also protects us from getting frostbite. We're also wearing, as you can see on my cap, we're wearing specialized polarized glasses. These glasses protect us from high intensity sun rays in such high altitude areas.